Stop ignoring the biggest buyers on Amazon, business buyers. I'm going to explain business price and how bulk orders work. So you can see right here, you can access B2B Central on Amazon. And all you're going to do is just go into Amazon Seller Central, and you should be able to see sellercentral.amazon.com/business/B2B Central up here. Now, this is going to give you access. You can also do the drop down if you do see it, B2B, B2B Central. And you can see your business discounts are suppressed, and this is where you can activate and enroll in B2B discounts for other Amazon business buyers. And business buyers, as we know, they like to buy in bulk, right? You can give them a business price, and if they order more than 10 units, let's say, you can give them maybe a 5% discount. So they're more likely to order more units at once, giving you more profit long term. You can automate business prices, explore B2B product opportunities, respond to quote requests, and then kind of just go through all these other options. And they do have a sales snapshot right here. And then you can go to manage quotes. And if we look down, let me see if I can kind of just pull this up. We can see some different things. This one's actually specifically B2B. B2B, you can see it's up 40%, $5,000 in sales year over year. So, B2B is growing, and you want to keep that in mind at the end of the day. Now, if we're clicking activate, it's going to show something like this, and it clicks activate and reinstate my previous business offers. And I want to reinstate this and continue to B2B Central. So make sure you're going to click on that button so that way you can activate. And the biggest thing is when there is a business buyer on Amazon and they're on their phone or on their desktop and they're ordering, they're going to see a different price than a regular customer. Their Outlook experience is a bit different. It's more geared to business buyers, to bulk items, to bulk discounts, right? Compared to the regular consumer. So you want to give these business buyers a bit more of a discount so that way they're more likely to buy from you. And there is an FAQ on Amazon about what is an Amazon business, right? It's B2B instead of B2C. And the requirements, making sure that your order defect rate is less than 0.5%, things like that. That way you can enroll and get accepted so you can target these business customers. Now, when you're in Amazon and you go into your inventory, you can actually click and do a drop down and have your consumer price and have your business price. That's only going to show to B2B customers. So make sure that you edit your filters and all of your columns. And then it's going to look like this. It's going to say business price and manage inventory. Click view reference prices if you like, but click set right here, business price. And then we can see we can edit the business price right here. So if we're selling this for $50, I'm probably just going to give them maybe a 50 cent or $1 discount. Maybe instead of $50, it's now $49.50. Nothing crazy, because what we want to do is we want to give them this tier price discount. This is where we really want to make our money. So we're going to do percentage off. If they order 2 units, I'll give them 3% off. If they order 5 units, I'll give them 5%. But what I really want is I want to get them to order at least 10 units or more. And this is where I'm going to give them 10% off, which is a large amount compared to the 2%, right? So what we're really trying to get them to order bulk sales. I might even go to 12% for this. So they're just like, oh man, I'm going to be saving so much money if I buy bulk. That's what you want them to think, is like, let me buy bulk. I want to buy bulk, because they're going to return the items a lot less to the business buyers because they're so busy with their time. So set that up. It's totally worth it. That's how they do bulk buys. That's how you can set your business price just for business sellers. And that's exactly how you can increase volume on Amazon. The last thing I did want to mention is making sure that your Amazon is optimized, because your listings need to be business ready. So if you want to click the link in the description, you can get a free listing audit from us directly from our website. And we'll go through all of your top competitors and tell you what you need to do to make sure your business is ready and your listing is actually attracting business customers. So that way you don't set a price and your sales don't increase at all. We want your sales increase, and so do you. Now that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. We specialize in Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and even Etsy. If you did need help on management on Amazon or getting more clicks, we have a full design team and you can schedule a call with us in the link below, or just feel free to email us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.